All right, so I just got a package. It is the Redodo 100 amp hour mini lithium battery. So this is something that I just found from Bearded Kayak's channel, and it is probably the smallest 100 amp lithium battery around. As you can see, there's a standard size 100 amp lithium battery, and we're going to, everything's nice, labeled, packaged. Look how small that thing is, man. Drop the box, shake the bag, and that's what we're looking at. Significantly smaller, a little bit taller, but it is skinnier. And it's not as wide. Redodo.